Okay, we're finishing up the wiring on this Street Glide, and I told myself I wasn't gonna touch it because it's only here to add an amplifier, but it's making me crazy and I have to. It's these evil things right here. So it gets me upset. We don't do a lot of LED lighting on motorcycles because to do it our way is not $200. We charge a full day of labor because we solder all the wires and tuck everything, and then it avoids having random stuff like this. Check this out. So we pulled the seat and we have this and this, because even though it came like this, you know, you could tape it up and make it look factory, but that doesn't bother me. These evil things bother me. First of all, it's not a good connection. This is literally the motorcycle equivalent of a T-tap. These should all be soldered and heat shrunk. We have some bare wires going on in there. Like, I can't leave it like this. I'm gonna have to fix it. Oh man, this is a pretty ass bike too. It's a shame. We gotta fix some stupid, so?
Of course we do.
Ricky Martin, we gotta fix stupid?
Of course.
So, we're gonna pull these off. I'm gonna solder and heat shrink them because these are in my way, so I wanted to put my fuse block down here, but I can't because there's this jumbled mess of wire. So, we're gonna take care of that. I'm buy the customer some tape for Christmas because obviously he doesn't have any. This wasn't done by a shop, customer did it himself. And he gave me permission to make fun of him, so I'm making a video. And what is going on here? This is the before. 1996 called. They want their LED strip back. So we got this Street Glide in. Not a wiring rescue. They used all high quality wire. American hardbag kit. I could tell by a sticker on the DSP. No, I'm wrong. This is from our friend Chris at Garage Stereo Baggers. So it's using Chris's wiring kit. One thing I don't understand is why they use the thickest RCAs on the planet. But the install is done safely. We're just gonna clean it up a little bit. We added some mid-base drivers in the bags to go along with his Mmats 6x9s and Mmats 6.5s. So we're just gonna clean up this wiring a little bit, put the Stinger amplifier in the bag, and tune it up. Okay, I see a little bit of laziness we're gonna have to fix. Well, probably not laziness, probably he was scared to take the fuel line off the tank, but that should be run through there and along the top. Shouldn't be able to see that, but we'll fix it. What the hell is that? They definitely did not remove the gas tank to run that wire. Okay, I take back what I said. It is now a wiring rescue. That is where that goes. Inside the backbone cover. When we cover it, nothing's exposed, nothing dangling from underneath the gas tank. Okay, they spent the money to buy the plug-and-play harness for the DSP, but then instead of soldering the wires, they used these cheap bullet connectors, and they used the wrong size because for this wire it should be red, not blue, and then put a ass ton of tape on it. Come on, man. You bought the right parts. Take a little bit of time to do it the right way. And chop these up, solder them.
No, I don't have.
These things are evil. Don't use them. We move the DSP from there into right there. All cleaned up out front, ready to go. DSP's tucked in here. Amplifiers here. All factory plug-and-play connectors. Presentable, neat. Wires all in the backbone cover.